Today I'm going to show you a super easy way to memorize the metric prefixes. And the best part is, the memory trick is built around kindness. Let's jump in. Metric prefixes tell us how large or small a measurement is without writing a bunch of zeros. Instead of saying 0.000001 seconds, we say 1 microsecond. Instead of saying 1 million meters, we say 1 megameter. Much simpler, right? But the challenge is remembering the order of all those prefixes. The most common ones you'll see are giga, mega, kilo, deci, centi, milli, micro, and nano. So how do we remember them in order without getting lost? Here's the kindness-inspired memory trick. Go make kind decisions, create many meaningful notes. Each word matches a prefix. Go for giga, make mega, kind, kilo, decisions, deci, create, centi, mini, milli, meaningful, micro, and notes, nano. Go make kind decisions, create many meaningful notes. Another way to lock it in is to imagine a number line. Put the base unit like meter or gram in the middle, move up to kilo, mega, and giga for the big values, and down to deci, centi, milli, micro, and nano for the smaller ones. Pairing the mnemonic with that visual really cements it. So now you got it. Go make kind decisions, create many meaningful notes. Use the mnemonic, picture the scale, and practice with real examples like kilometers, milligrams, and nanoseconds. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more chemistry tips.